I'm going to show you how to insulate a Kegerator draft tower using these chiller sleeves made by Redwood Brew Supply. They've also sent over a few styles and a Kegerator cover for storage outdoors or just whenever you're not using the Kegerator. Just good for keeping dust and dog hair and bugs off. So they've made this out of polyester, and it's UV resistant. They say it's waterproof, tear-proof, tornado-proof, and they use a special double fold stitching, which supposedly is supposed to keep this running strong for many years. It's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so I think that's pretty unique. It goes all the way to the floor, and it's got a cord on the bottom so you can cinch it tight. So if you're storing it outside, the wind won't catch it. These tower chillers help keep the condensation down and reduce foaming. They come in a few different configurations depending on how many taps you have, if you have 1, 2, or 3. This is a Velcro version, just quickly goes on. They also have a custom version that allows you to cut out the holes depending on how many taps you have and their placement on the column. So you just quickly cut out the holes with a little pair of scissors and then take the chiller cover back off and install your elbows and shanks, and then slip the cover back over, and you'll get a nice form fit on any 3-inch standard draft tower that comes with most Kegerators. These tower chillers, they increase the overall efficiency of your Kegerator. I think they look good, and they're great for just protecting it from the elements, as well as it just keeps your tower temperature stable and reduces that foaming.